Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching you about wild animal names in isiZulu. Ibhubesi. Ibhubesi. Boo, boo. Ibhubesi means lion. Ingwe. Ingwe. Ingwe means leopard. Indlulamithi. 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 Ndlu, ndlu. Indlulamithi means giraffe. Indlovu. 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 Ndlo, ndlo. Indlovu means elephant. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.